I know most of you are willing and have the desire to make money online, but the fact is that your country lacks accessibility and eligibility to most of the money-making platforms. ConnectYu is a platform that offers you the easiest way to make money online with simple monetization conditions and a method of payment available in your country. This is by earning bit. It is very easy to earn bit. You just need to create good content such as video posts, text posts, or blog posts that may attract engagement and can be converted into bit. When you create a new post on ConnectYu, you earn 50 bit. When you get 2 views on any post, you earn 1 bit. You earn 5 bit for commenting on any post, 3 bit for reacting on a post, 100 bits for each connections or followers you get, 500 bits for each user you refer to ConnectYu. The more you post, the more you obtain views, reactions and comments, and the more your bits are adding gradually. Now on ConnectYu, 1000 bits is equal to 1 cowrie. The cowrie is a stable digital currency used on ConnectYu, made by Africans for Africans. 1 cowrie is equal to 1 Canadian dollar, which is equal to 450 CFA, equal to 550 Naira, and also equal to 8.4 Ghana cedis. You can use cowries for the purchase of all C Media Group products and services. For example, you can pay for your advertisement on CMTV using cowries, as well as pay for your tuition fee for C Media Institute. You can convert your cowries to any currency of your choice and cash it out through MTN Mobile Money, Orange Mobile Money, PayPal, bank transfer, just to name a few. In order to join the platform and start earning bits, log on to www.connectyu.africa. ConnectYu, connecting Africans by Africans.